what would Sona say to someone who asks और good news कब?
Yeah, a lot of people ask.
I am sure.
Especially now that I put on a little weight. मैं खुश हूँ अपने शादी में, guys.
Lutera or Action Jackson?
What? Why is that in the list? Remove it. Joke तो मेरे साथ हुआ था, guys. देखो YouTube पे comments आते हैं. We thought you were very arrogant and nakchadi, but you're so sweet, yeah. I was like, why would you think that?
Is there a trend that you see has become like an overkill?
Oh my god! I actually fired my PR because I was like, you know what? I want to project myself as I am. I left Twitter because it was disgustingly toxic. Instagram is headed that way.
And what would Sona say to her younger self?
I would say, don't worry, it's all going to be okay. I really wanted to be one of the models for our annual fashion show, but they would never choose me because of how big I was. The heart is also बहुत ही special in many different ways क्योंकि ये मेरे पास एक time पे आ गया था where I was just on the verge of giving up.
How do I introduce her? I just have to say that this show just got more exciting because somebody who is always real, who's always asli, is right here on the Good Girl Show. Sonakshi Sinha. Hi, Sonakshi.
Hello, Pari.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Good. As I was saying before, my mom is a big fan and she sees me in you somehow.
I see it. I told her I see it because I get why she would think that.
Yeah. You're also like her daughter. So she's like, oh, तो सोनाक्षी से मिल रही है एकदम उसकी जैसी लगती है.
So sweet. Yeah, please give your mom a tight hug from me.
Yes.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for being on the show. It
My
means a
pleasure.
lot. You know, it means a lot for every girl actually who's been asked to be good.
Oh, I think I've heard that before.
Have you?
Yes.
Have people asked you to be a good girl?
Yeah, absolutely. Of course, first it starts with the family only, no?
Haan.
And good girl.
And what did you understand of it?
I think for me, it became about like, see, I was more of a kind of a rebel growing up. I was a tomboy completely. I did everything that was against what my mother thought her daughter would be like. So I guess that's why I used to hear it a lot. But then eventually it just became about, just having good values, having good manners, having good intentions in life. And if you take it in that way, then I think it becomes more acceptable and easier to deal with rather than take it as something that somebody is trying to change you.
हाँ.
You know? तो
Yeah.
अगर आप अपना नजरिया बदल दे तो life always better हो जाता है.
Ma'am, absolutely. And that's what we're doing, changing the definition
Yeah.
of being a good girl.
Yeah.
So I have something here for you, which is the Good Girls Report card. The first section is things you've been called.
Okay, हाँ.
So कुछ words है, आपको बताना है कि कौन-कौन से words लोगों ने आपके लिए use किए हैं.
Okay. I've been called loud, possibly. Bold, yes. Sarcastic, yes. Talkative, no.
Oh,
Yeah. Because I'm a listener.
okay.
I talk only in interviews.
You save your material.
Yeah. Girls, girl, yes. And I love that. I
Yeah.
love being a girl's girl. Dramatic, yes. Sensitive, yes. Bossy, no, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Too much? Maybe. Rebel, yes. Opinionated, maybe. Brave, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I
कोई
think I've been
word
called all the good things. तो ठीक है.
ठीक है. कोई word जो आप इसमें add करना चाहोगे जो है नहीं but लोगों ने आपके लिए use किया.
नकचड़ी वो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ. मेरे को YouTube पे comments आते हैं. We thought you were very arrogant and नकचड़ी, but you're so sweet, yeah. I was like, why would you think that? But I'm not giving you any reason to think that.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, probably that.
Okay.
But as an actor and as a person who's in front of everybody's faces most of the time, I feel like there are lots of opinions about you, and सारे को आप you can't take it to heart, right?
Yeah.
So otherwise पागल हो जाओगे.
बिल्कुल.
It's better to just kind of take it in your stride.
Yeah. The other part on this is feedback and remarks.
Uh-huh.
Now this is about your report card in school.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो किस तरह के remarks हुआ करते थे आपके report card पर?
मेरे remarks हुआ करते थे कि she's more interested in sports than her studies. She needs to balance it out. But I was actually a very good student. I was never really told कि ये खत्म करना है, ये assignment ये time पे देना है. I was very responsible. तो मेरा काम हमेशा मैं खुद खत्म कर लेती थी and I used to submit everything on time. I was a above average, nice, good student.
Okay.
तो हाँ, it wasn't that bad. It was only कि मैं actually ज़्यादा sports में interest रखती थी, तो which the teachers caught on to.
Yeah.
And क्योंकि I used to come to school earlier, आधा घंटा मैं फुटबॉल खेलती थी, and by the time it was time for school to start, my uniform used to be full of muck.
Oh wow.
So that was one pain point for them कि untidy. Then breaks होते थे हमारे recess. First break used to be 15 minutes. चली जाती थी मैं फुटबॉल वॉलीबॉल खेलने. Then I used to come back late 5 minutes to class. So like basic pain points, but it was for my enjoyment, so I don't mind.
Yeah. And a remark that you wished for? You wished कि यार ये तो लिख देते, ये तो कह देते.
A remark that I wished for? Nothing actually. I used to always be quite happy with my
Okay.
report card. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad one. Nothing really stuck out, you know.
Yeah.
ऐसी कुछ traumatic memories याद नहीं आ रही कि ये लिखा था मेरे teacher ने.
That's nice
Yeah,
to hear.
yeah.
Okay, so let me dive straight into YouTube. Okay. Are you enjoying it? कितना मजा आ रहा है आपको?
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ. अगर मुझे मज़ा नहीं आता तो मैं नहीं करती. एंड इनफैक्ट इसकी कहानी भी क्वाइट फनी है. मैं एक एजेंसी के साथ थी, मैनेजमेंट एजेंसी के साथ थी, जिन्होंने कहा यू मस्ट जॉइन यूट्यूब, इट्स द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट थिंग एंड यू नो वील हैंडल इट फॉर यू इन दिस एंड दैट एंड ऑल. एंड आई स्टार्टेड द चैनल अबाउट 2 years बैक. And I was not involved. वो लोग मेरे से videos लेते थे, just send us anything, we'll create the content, we'll post it and all of that.
Yeah.
तो मुझे बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. And I never really like took any interest in it and all. Last November is when I said, चलो देखते हैं क्या है ये. You know, and I opened it myself on my own laptop and I saw kind of how the interface works and you know what are the features, क्या कर सकती हूँ इसके साथ. Okay, long content video which I've never done before. तो reels और short मतलब reels में जी रहे हैं आज तक. So I was like, you know, what can I do? And I'm also a private person, so I don't want to put all my life out there. I want to put a part of my life out there, which people already know about, which people love and appreciate. तो मैंने सोचा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. So I just started browsing, you know, for ideas and this and that. And suddenly one day I was just doing my makeup and I was like, interesting. ये तो रोज करना पड़ता है.
And it comes naturally to you.
एक कैमरा लगा दो and wow, I have content, guys.
Correct.
So it became very easy for me to kind of do that.
Yeah.
And what I started noticing was that people are appreciating how they get to see the real side of you.
Yes.
So for me, it also became like I actually fired my PR because I was like, you know what, I want to project myself as I am. I don't want to be projected as how somebody else sees me or how they want to see me.
Wow.
This is who I am. Take it or leave it. You want to watch, please watch. You don't want to watch, please don't watch.
Yeah.
And I think this is the most authentic way to put it out there, and which is what I'm doing.
Correct. मुझे बताओ कि आप ये बैलेंस कैसे करते हो कि आपको कितना शेयर करना है कितना नहीं. बिकॉज एक ये चीज होती है ना दैट फॉर एक्टर्स पीपल बिलीव दैट देयर शुड आल्सो बी थोड़ी मिस्ट्री अराउंड देम. तो आप वो बैलेंस कैसे करते हो कि मैं इतना शेयर करूं कि मिस्ट्री भी रहे एंड पीपल नो मी आल्सो.
यू नो ऑनेस्टली ये बहुत ही बड़ा डिलेमा था मेरे लिए. तो आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट. तो मैंने बोला आई वांट टू पुट सम स्टफ आउट देयर अबाउट माय ट्रैवल्स बट आई डोंट वांट टू पुट टू मच. तो आई ट्राइड इट आउट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉर लाइक माय हनीमून एंड आई जस्ट रिकॉर्डेड स्टफ एज एंड व्हेन आई फेल्ट लाइक. और जब वो बना इट वाज लाइक अ 13-15 minute का content piece, a vlog which I made. And then I realized कि I went for 17 days. Out of 17 days, if I'm putting out 15 minutes, that's not much at all. You know, and that's also only what I want to put out. So yeah, it just, when it doesn't feel like a task na, and जब वो pressure नहीं होता है कि यही करना है, ये टाइम पे पोस्ट करना है, ये डे पे पोस्ट करना है, तो वो मजेदार लगता है. You know, otherwise it feels like a lot of added pressure, and I don't think as an artist or as a creator also, I don't think anyone should really have that pressure.
Yeah,
because then you lose interest in it.
Exactly, you lose the charm of doing it. Absolutely. Okay, I want to play a fun game with you here, which is if you could invite guests on your YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
who would you for the following?
Okay.
ठीक है? So first, to talk about love and dating.
Love and dating. I'll call Zahir only.
Okay, to do some ज्ञान की बातें.
ज्ञान की बातें. Huma.
Okay, for an episode on motivation.
I can motivate people.
Yeah, solo. Yeah, you don't
Solo.
need anybody.
Yeah.
Okay, mindless yapping.
Mindless yapping. Saqib.
Okay, for a get ready with me.
You know, I actually thought of this, like how Farah goes to people's house to cook. I'll
Yeah.
call her to do makeup with me.
It'll be
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah. It'll
Oh
be
my
so
God,
fun.
we
Yeah.
want that.
Isn't
Farah
it? It'll be quite cool.
ex Sonakshi.
Yeah.
Yes, amazing. Okay, to have a deep conversation about life.
Maybe my dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With his life experience.
Yeah. To recreate iconic Bollywood hook steps with.
Ooh. Ranveer.
Oh,
Yeah.
amazing. Vibe. Okay, for a skincare and gossip sesh.
Skincare and gossip sesh. Who can I call? Who's got really great skin? Alia. Yeah.
Okay, to discuss fashion and trends.
This should be a stylist, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah, so either Sanam Ratansi, who's also my sister-in-law, or Mohit Rai, who styles me all the time. I think actually, yeah, both of them can come and it'll be a nice chat session with like the three of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a trend that you see is become like an overkill and you're like, yaar, mat karo, bas ho gaya. It's done.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
It was everywhere, and can I tell you something? Like my team from So Easy also got in touch with me. They're like, "Oh my god, you should do that grrr." And I was like,
nails with
I will scratch your eyes out if you tell me to do that trend. No.
But it would have been nice. You would have done grr and you
In
should have shown your
your
nails.
face, it was I can't. I'm sorry. Like, I can't.
I agree with you. And the last one, to sit and say nothing and yet have the best time. Somebody you can just share silence with.
Zahir.
Yeah.
So my start and end happened with him only. Bas tum hi ho.
But it's hard to believe that both of you can sit quietly.
We can actually, yeah. And that's the beauty of it.
Yeah. I was actually just having a conversation with a friend the other day and we were discussing about love language. Okay. And I just like, whenever I look at you and Zahir together, it's like, I feel like this is what I have thought a relationship should be like, right?
Yeah.
Because you're roasting each other, you're having fun. But I want to ask you, ki, what is that one thing in your relationship? Like every relationship, every couple has that one thing, right?
Yeah.
That's just theirs. क्या है वो आप लोगों के लिए?
There's actually more than one thing, which is why it works so well, and that's why we are together. And honestly, like before I got into this relationship, this is the idea of the relationship in my mind that I always wanted. So I feel like somewhere I manifested it. There's a lot of love, of course. There's a lot of mutual respect. You're always kind of keeping the other person in the highest regard and kind of, not like letting them know that you're number one for me every single day without even trying. I think that just makes it really work.
I had met him in 2019, I think, around Notebook.
Yeah,
Around
that's
Notebook.
when
And I remember how he started the show. He started like, मैं हूँ Zahir और ये है परी और परी परी परी, and then he kept on going. And
yeah. He's got a very infectious energy and he's a lot of fun. So
yeah. Another aspect that I feel, I think it's such an important part of your life, I'm sure, is female friendships.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
वो कितना जरूरी है आपके लिए?
बहुत ही जरूरी. Not only for me, for everybody. I think जैसे आप अपने female friends के साथ होते हो, you're not with anybody else, and बहुत सारी चीजें उनके साथ जो share होती है, you can't share with anyone else. And I feel they're the ones who kind of really keep you grounded. हमेशा reality check देते रहते हैं, and they are very important to have in anyone's life. Yeah.
And I think that person for you is Huma.
Yes, Huma. There's Vidhi. There's Malvika. There's quite of Sableen. I have so many friends who I can really, really count on, and they always have my back. And that like it's just very important to have that. It's like a safe space, basically.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready for another fun segment?
Always.
Okay, this is called Sona Says.
Okay.
Okay.
That used to be my hashtag.
Yeah.
On Twitter, when I was on Twitter, I used to do Q&A sessions. I used to be like, Sona Says.
Yes, so you're back.
Fab.
So Sona says, what would Sona say to and for the following situations,
Yeah.
okay, to people who abuse women online?
अपनी माँ से जाके बात कर. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, respect starts at home. And if you can't talk to your mother like that, you shouldn't be speaking to any other woman like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are on, do you see your YouTube comments? आप देखते हो?
Yes, I do.
Fairly good.
They- oh my God, thank you for bringing this up, because it's the least toxic social media platform that I've witnessed, you know. And I left Twitter because it was disgustingly toxic. Instagram is headed that way. YouTube is just so positive.
Yeah.
Like 500 comments, you'll find like 2 people being random, and they're also not like abusive. Like, they're like normal rude.
Or
maybe.
like not liking something.
एक आध, yeah,
हाँ,
ठीक
हाँ.
है, it's their opinion, which is also fine. But like, it's I love the fact that the community is so respectful, and they're actually really nice. So I think that's also another reason why I'm really enjoying it.
Yes. Yeah, because you're right. Social media has become a little,
Yeah, not
like,
a little, a lot.
a lot,
Yeah.
and especially for women, there's no safety online.
Correct. And there's no regulations. There's no there's actually no one regulating it. You know, and लोगों को ऐसे लगता है ना कि पूरी छूट मिल गई है. आप जो कहना चाहते हो आप कह सकते हो. Either I feel social media etiquette needs to be taught, or like the platforms need to have a more strict form of monitoring this, especially for the betterment of, like, you know, women online.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, what would Sona say to somebody who body shames others?
Get a life. You know, I just read a quote by Jennifer Lawrence the other day, and I reposted it because it's like, you look how you look. Starving yourself to please someone else is just so dumb. I completely agree with it.
Yeah.
And you know, I did a film called Double XL with Huma on this topic. I mean, you're beautiful in every size. I've been every size.
Yeah.
You know, and I've always been confident. I've always, you know, been. I've only changed if I wanted to change, not because somebody else wanted me to, or if they needed me to conform to a certain way. So I think it's a very, very personal thing for everyone. There are a lot of people who, you know, cannot lose weight for health reasons. A lot of people that should lose weight for health reasons. It's most important to be healthy. It's not about your size or the way you look. It's about how healthy you are. And I've always been an advocate for, like, you know, body positivity, and I will continue to be.
Yeah, but एक आपकी savage line जो कुछ महीने पहले बहुत वायरल हो गई थी कि जब मुझे मोटा होना तो मैं होती हूँ, जब मुझे पतला होना होता तो मैं होती हूँ, आपके बोलने से नहीं होती.
Exactly, मेरी मर्जी है, मेरी बॉडी है, मतलब आपके बोलने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Okay.
तो बेटर है बोलना छोड़ दो.
What would Sona say to her female friends?
I love you guys.
Okay. To a guy who says, I like natural girls without makeup.
उसकी preference होगी यार. ठीक है. I can't tell him anything.
Okay, sure.
If a guy doesn't like girls with makeup, that's completely his choice. ना, we say it's her choice. We can say it's his choice.
Fair.
Yeah.
Someone who says, आपने तो शादी में बुलाया ही नहीं हमें.
जी हाँ, क्योंकि नहीं बुलाना. But you know, I've had people like that come up to me, and like, it's so weird. Like, why would you put yourself in that spot? मैं तो बोल देती हूँ, हाँ नहीं हाँ, हंस लेती हूँ. But like,
and they say it एकदम taunt. वो actually taunt होता है वो.
But आपको समझ जाना चाहिए ना, हम इतने close नहीं हैं.
Close होते तो आप होते.
Exactly.
Okay, someone who asks, और good news कब?
Yeah, a lot of people ask.
I am sure.
Yeah, especially now that I put on a little weight. मैं खुश हूँ अपने शादी में. Guys, please look it up. Everybody puts on weight in the first year of marriage.
Oh my God, this is terrible.
It's very, firstly, it's very intrusive. It's and it's nobody's business. And honestly, it's not something you can hide. जब होगा तो आपको पता चल जाएगा.
और मुझे नहीं समझ आता कि क्या मजा आता है लोगों
Exactly,
को. मतलब अगर किसी और की लाइफ में जो भी हो रहा है, आपको क्या मजा आता है?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, someone who is planning to text their ex after 2 drinks. What would you say?
वो ले लूंगी मैं.
Been there, done that.
What would I say? Or I would help them to draft a गाली वाला message.
मुझे वो याद आ गया.
Either or, depends on the situation.
मुझे जब भी मैं याद आ गया. Okay, a girl who is romanticizing bare minimum because he made coffee.
Yeah, I don't get that. I want to just shake them up and say, wake up and that you deserve better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, someone who says we can't pay you, but आपको exposure मिलेगा.
किसी और को expose कर लो आप.
मैं बहुत exposed हूँ.
मैं खुश हूँ.
ये आपको अभी तो of course नहीं मिलता
No,
होगा. शुरुआत में मिला.
I don't think anybody says that to actors, but I feel I know a lot of actors who say that to other people.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it happens, right? Like stylists and like
Yeah, you're right.
Because I have friends who are stylists and my sister-in-law is a stylist, so like
Correct.
I've heard complaints about a lot of you.
Have you always been able to like ask for money?
No, I think I'm can't upfront ask for it. And honestly, since I've started working, we've always had people to kind of navigate those financial conversations, especially when it comes to acting. But now that I'm more of an entrepreneur as well, I think I've become much better at it. Yeah.
What would you say to girls who cannot do that? क्योंकि ये asking for money मतलब एक है. There's also shame around women asking for money.
Yeah,
when
no,
they-
but I feel it's something we all need to get over. And like I realize now that things could have been a lot more different if I would have started doing that much earlier in my life. So I feel like, don't make that mistake, basically. Like, I think it's your right to ask for money for the work that you're doing. And you must. I think it's very important for women also to have their own financial conversations. It's very important to be financially aware. It's very important to be financially independent.
Yeah.
And the sooner you do it, the better.
Yeah. To aspiring actors?
Just don't give up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it can be a very daunting business to be a part of. So I think डटे रहना चाहिए and follow your dreams and just don't give up. It can be very, very hard as well. But that is when you have to kind of really push through.
Yeah. And the last one, what would Sona say to her younger self?
I would say, don't worry, it's all going to be okay. Yeah, because at the end of it, it always is.
Yeah.
हम उस टाइम पे सोचते हैं ना कि ओ पहाड़ गिर गया मुझ पे ये क्या हो गया and I'll never be able to get out of
Yeah,
it.
like the smallest of problems.
Now when I look back, I'm just like, what was I fretting about? So I just like to say, don't worry, it's all going to be okay.
Yeah. One thing I really, really want to speak to you about is because you have always spoken about body positivity, right? And आज हम ये conversations कर रहे हैं, which is amazing. But was there ever a time where you felt like because of this आपको opportunities नहीं मिली?
Oh yes, absolutely. I was in college actually. I was in fashion school. And I really wanted to be center stage. I wanted to be one of the models for our annual fashion show, but they would never choose me because of how big I was. And that used to hurt me a lot. Also, I was a lot more younger. I was, you're in your college years. You're comparing yourself to other people and all. And I think after that, I kind of came into my own and accepted myself and worked on myself because I wanted to work on myself. And I feel like it all comes when you're ready for it. तो तभी लगता था, अभी नहीं लगता.
Yeah. As you said, you would go back to that girl and say it's going to be okay.
Exactly. Yeah. ठीक है. You want a model in your annual fashion show? Hello. Look where you are now.
Okay, we will end with this, which is about your films. मैं आपको आपके films के names देने वाली हूँ.
Okay.
And you have to keep picking. Okay, so this is smash or pass.
Oh, okay.
Dabang or Rowdy Rathod?
Oh God. Dabang.
Dabang or Son of Sardar?
Dabang.
Dabang or Lutera?
Lutera.
I knew it. Lutera or R. Rajkumar?
Lutera.
Lutera or Action Jackson?
Lutera.
Lutera.
What? Why is that in the list? Remove it. It should not even be there.
I love how you take all this with you're able to look at this with a sense of humor. Like somebody who can just...
Joke तो मेरे साथ हुआ था, guys.
Okay, Lutera or Ittifaq?
Lutera.
Lutera or Happy?
अभी आप जो भी बोल दो, अभी कुछ.
Let's see. Lutera or Happy फिर भाग गई.
Lutera.
Lutera और Kalank?
Lutera.
Lutera और Mission Mangal?
Lutera.
Lutera और Hira Mandi? Got you.
You know what? Lutera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I know what your answer will be, but Lutera or Dahad?
Dahad.
I just loved you in Dahad.
Thank
And
you.
I am sure कि वो आपके लिए भी बहुत important
It was.
part था
It
वो,
was.
है ना?
The Heart is also बहुत ही special in many different ways क्योंकि ये मेरे पास एक time पे आ गया था where I was just on the verge of giving up. Yeah, like I told you,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
advice to any actor is that don't give up.
Yeah.
And I was just on the verge of giving up because I felt like I wasn't getting the kind of work that I want to do. मुझे अच्छे रोल नहीं मिल रहे थे, सब repetitive roles मिल रहे थे और मैं थक गई थी. मतलब मैं बहुत बोर हो चुकी थी. I'd like literally stop signing films. I was like, I'll wait. I'll sit at home. 1 साल लगेगा, 2 साल लगेगा, 3 साल लगेगा. मैं घर पे बैठूंगी, but मैं वो काम नहीं करूंगी जो मैं नहीं करना चाहती. And that is when Dahar came into my life, and I was like, suddenly I felt like I woke up. You know, और नरेशन खत्म, उन्होंने नरेट भी नहीं किया. Actually, Rima and Zoya came and gave me the gist of the show, and before the meeting got over, मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ, आप स्क्रिप्ट भेज दो घर पे, मैं पढ़ लूंगी, but I'm on board. Because that was that one thing that really shook me up, and I was like, I have to be this character, I have to play this role. So it's very, very special to me.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
were fab.
Thank
you
you.
were fab. Finally, we are here talking about your journey as a YouTube creator, as somebody who has her own YouTube channel and who's having fun with it.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है कि आप, like how you rightly said, if you're not having fun,
Yeah, there's no
what's
point.
the point?
There's no point.
So what are we going to see on YouTube more from you now?
You know, honestly, I'm really enjoying my makeup content.
It's fun.
Yeah,
It's
so
fun.
I feel like I will probably stick to the same sort of niche and probably expand on that in certain ways. I haven't really thought about it, but yeah, I'm really enjoying it, and of course my travel.
Yeah, and Zahir का cameo होता रहेगा उसमें.
होता रहेगा. हम कहाँ जाओ, सेम घर में रहते हैं हम, और ट्रैवल भी करते तो सेम रूम में रहते हैं, तो वो आ ही जाता है वो.
Thank you so much, Sonakshi. Like how I said right in the beginning, you are asli, you are
Thank
real,
you.
and I think that is something, that's a quality that's so endearing.
Thank you.
And thank you for being on the show.
Thank you for
talking
having
to
me. This was actually really, really fun.
Thank
Yeah.
you. See you soon. And मेरी मम्मी देख लो.
Namaste, auntie. Thanks for the love.
Okay, and yes, we have a ritual on the show,
Oh, so sweet.
which is every girl gets a flower.
Thank you so much. And it's a
Yeah.
beautiful sunflower.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.